Hello world, Heather Thrills here. You just completed a boxing workout, so let's cool down. Let's stretch everything out. You can make your way to the floor. We'll take a seat on our knees or on your hips, whatever feels good and right. We'll start with the shoulders. We'll take the right arm across the chest, hook it in with the left, looking side to side to get into those neck muscles. And then chin back to center, let it go. We'll take it to the other side, left arm across the chest. You got it hooked in with your right, and we're just looking off from shoulder to shoulder. Chin back to center, let it go. We're gonna extend those legs straight out. Inhale the arms up, flex the toes in towards the knees and reach towards the feet. Don't worry if you're not there yet, just keep following along for more stretches, or just bend the knees and cup underneath so we get that rounding in the spine. You can drop your chin and stretch through the spine this way. Big breath in, big breath out. And then we'll inhale and rise up. You'll bring that right leg over the left, cup around with that left arm. The right arm will come up, back, and around. You'll use it as a little kickstand to bring your chest more towards this right side. Inhale to lift up. Exhale to turn back, pulling this knee into the chest, looking over your shoulder. Take one more big breath in, lifting through the crown of the head. And on the exhale, return back to center. We'll just swap out the legs. Let's go left over right. Give a hug with that right arm. Left arm reaches up, back, all the way around. You're pulling that knee into the chest as you inhale to get tall. Exhale to twist further, pull that knee in. One more big breath, get tall on inhale. Exhale, return to center. Excellent. So from here, we'll uncross the legs. We'll bring that right leg behind us just to pop up into a lunge. So now the left leg is forward, right leg is back in these two 90-degree angles. Right arm will come up and tap down. You'll use your left hand to tap your right elbow and just lean off towards that front knee, should be the left. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down. The left hand, or the hand that's closest to that foot that's grounded, will inhale, reach up. Roll out the wrist, 3, 2, 1. Back down to the floor, and we'll straighten over this front leg. We can even pick up the toe, kind of rock side to side on this front leg. Wherever the chest feels good, just try not to be too far forward until you have a flat back to reach there. So if you want to get a further stretch, you'll pull the hip, left hip back, pull the heel back, and reach the chest forward. Breathe into that hamstring, I'm feeling it, maybe a little side to side action. And then bend into that left leg, pull that left leg back, and we'll take that right leg forwards. We'll bring it up to our thigh, reach that left arm up, tap it down with the right. Inhale here, exhale, lean off towards that right front knee. Inhale, arms up, exhale, hands down. The right arm will come up, or the one that's closest to that front foot, 3 circles with the wrist at the top, 2, and 3. Right hand down, we'll lean it back, lift up the toes of this right leg, maybe rock it side to side if it feels good and right, pulling through this right hip backwards, lifting the chest forwards, big breath in, and then walk the hands forward so we can bring both the feet forwards. It will end up with our toes out, our elbows into our knees. If this is tough, you can always lift the hips a little bit, but we just want to get into the hips. You can rock side to side. The heels are okay to lift here if it feels all right. Reach the arms up and rise up. Let the hands float down. We'll grab a hold of that right ankle with the right hand, zip the knees together. Try to find that balance. Every day it changes, so give yourself credit. And then let it go. Off to the left side, grabbing a hold of that left ankle, squeeze the knees together. Core is engaged, chest is elevated, and let it go. Final stretch, we'll interlace the hands behind the back, draw the shoulder blades down, knuckles are off the small of the back, chin down, knuckles up. Chin up, knuckles down. Chin down, knuckles up. Knuckles down, chin up. Back to neutral and release. You should be feeling the benefits of these stretches. Your muscles will thank you. I will thank you. The more you follow along, the better you will get. So if any of these were challenging, just revisit this video whenever you feel like you need a little bit of a stretch. So happy you joined me today. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It will make my life so much better. Thank you so much. I'll catch you on the next one.